Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Opendoor, full guide step by step clearly. To budget effectively with Opendoor, start by visiting the Opendoor website. Create an account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, navigate to the budgeting tool section. Begin by entering your current income. Be sure to include all sources of income for an accurate total. Next, input your fixed monthly expenses. This includes rent or mortgage, utilities, and any loans. After that, add your variable expenses. Consider costs like groceries, dining out, and entertainment. Once all expenses are listed, review the totals displayed. Opendoor will provide a visual breakdown of your income versus expenses. Adjust your entries as needed to see how changes affect your budget. If you need to save for a specific goal, like a home purchase, set that in the tool. The budgeting tool can suggest how much to allocate monthly toward that goal. Use the insights provided to prioritize your spending effectively. Ensure you regularly update your budget for accuracy. Opendoor allows you to track changes in your financial situation over time. Refer back to the tool whenever your income or expenses change. This will help keep your budget aligned with your financial goals. Finally, utilize any resources Opendoor offers for financial education. Stay informed about budgeting best practices to enhance your skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.